It's confirmed. Bea Alonzo and Dominic Roque have separated. On Tuesday, Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, the king of talk, confirmed the shocking news. Ako'y nalungkot ho talaga dahil madalas. Pag nagkikita kami ni Bea ay nagkakakwentuhan ho kami tungkol sa buhay. Tungkol sa kanila, their marriage plans, etc. So, I was shocked. Tito Boy said. As we talk today. Yes. Hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. He said, adding that there's a possibility that the couple is still trying to talk. Tito Boy said that according to good sources, Bea and Dominic are trying to understand each other as they go through a rough patch. However, no one can tell if they can overcome this. Boy Abunda, humiling na huwag husgahan sina Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque sa kanilang breakup. Prenup agreement. Di naging issue kay Dominic Roque sa kasal sana nila ni Bea Alonzo. Boy Abunda, may God grant them what is best for them, he said. He also said that Bea has returned the engagement ring to Dominic. Meanwhile, Tito Boy addressed several rumors surrounding the breakup, such as the speculated prenuptial agreement. Yung prenup po ay medyo na-shock po ako because ang pagkakaalam ko po. Many months ago, napag-usapan ho ito sa aking pagkakaalam, he said, saying Dominic was the one who volunteered to do the prenup agreement. So I don't think that it is. And it was an issue unless nabago po yung kwento, he said. Tito Boy also said the couple had no fixed plans yet for their wedding. Contrary to rumors that it was going to be held in Tagaytay in April. As originally talked about, nag-ocular po ang dalawa, tama ho yun, sa Europa. And may mga lumalabas na kwento rin na they went to Japan, tama rin po yun, and I think they were trying to talk things out, Boy said. He also called out those who were accusing Bea as the problematic partner because of her previous failed relationships. To me, napaka-judgmental po nun. Yes, you and I have the right to comment. Yes, we have the freedom of speech, pero ako, I appeal for kindness, Boy said, saying we don't know the exact details of what happened. Sa pagkakaalam ko, ito diretsahan. Si Bea gustong masave ang relasyon na ito. Si Bea wants this to work, he said. Same goes with Dominic. Boy called out those who said cruel things to him. Like, walang pera, and hindi mayaman. You have the right to comment, you have the right to share your opinion, pero sana'y let exercise prudence, caution, and most important of all, kindness. But should the couple get back together, Boy still thinks that there is no wedding happening for them this year. Bea and Dominic got engaged in July at the Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar in Quezon City. The pair has been in a relationship since 2021. During the holidays, the couple traveled together in Sapporo, Japan and sealed a love padlock in Mount Moiwa.